You should think of your cap like any other kind of garment, which requires cleaning and care. We recommend using our textile soap for regular cleaning of your cap, to avoid buildup of tougher stains and to increase the longevity of your cap first. Soak your cap in warm water. Carefully distribute the soap over the cap, paying closer attention to areas with stains. Leave the cap to soak in the soapy water for approximately an hour. After soaking, rinse the cap thoroughly in fresh warm water. Make sure all of the soap is rinsed out of the fabric. Hang to dry with the brim facing downwards. If necessary, repeat the cleaning process. To maintain the cap's shape, we recommend folding a small towel inside to keep its form. You can use our textile soap on the following caps. Keep in mind that most of our caps will fade a little with regular cleaning. For more care and cleaning information, please review our guidance page or contact our team directly.